Welcome back to 5-Minute Mechanic. We, in our last video, recognized that this accelerator rod here that connects to the gas pedal is not moving properly. We're going to have to address that possibly in tomorrow's video. So today we are just going to kind of move some stuff out of this engine compartment so that we can start trying to get this thing turned over. Definitely needs a little bit of a cleanup, and we don't want any issues there. Just got to decide where to put the stuff. It seems to fit so well in that engine compartment. Not sure if you can see it. I have the belt for the AC disconnected. I'm not sure if we're gonna add that back in or not. Got some things down here. Moved out of the way. The rest of that stuff back here isn't a problem, but we will need to connect this pulley again. Oh, I forgot. I've got to tighten this carb bolt. I couldn't get to it. I also need to figure out what this thing does. I really have no idea. But I can tell it's supposed to do something with the throttle, and right now it's not connecting to that at all. The way it can move. I'll have to figure that one out. But the throttle linkage on the carburetors, can't tell. It's getting hung up on something. Over here. Okay. I don't exactly know what's going on there. These will need to be moved. Ah, I forgot. We've got a vacuum hose that connects down onto this carb, this primary carb. There's a cap there now. Not sure what I have right here to pull that off with. And if I can get it with a screwdriver. Can't really even see it. Come back here. There we go. I got it loose. I don't know what this little plug is made of. My dad's friend that rebuilt the carbs for me would have put that on there. No, I've lost it. I'll have to find that. But I can reconnect that vacuum line. Maybe. Sometimes it'd be really nice to have really tiny fingers for jobs like this. Still need the long hands and long arms, but make some jobs easier. I had to replace the oil pressure sensor on my Suburban, and it's back in the back by the firewall with no way to see anything. Really, while you're working, you're kind of working blind, and you need 3 hands, and they all need to be long basketball player fingers that are the size of a 5-year-old's, and it just doesn't quite work that way. Something is catching down here. I can't tell what that is. don't see anything. Maybe that's normal. Huh. All right. Well, that's our 5 minutes for today, I guess. Didn't get as much done as I would like, but still a little bit of progress with this. And tomorrow, I think we're gonna have to come, sorry for that. I'm gonna come clean up this side of this car real quick and get underneath there. Try and see what's going on with this rod. See why it's bound up. All right, well, thanks for joining me, 5 Minute Mechanic. Remember, 5 minutes a day, you'll start getting your problems and your projects taken care of, even if that's all you got.